In this video, we are going to learn point, which is one of the elements of design of landscape garden. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. Point is a dimensionless object and has no length, width, and depth. Points can be round, triangle, square, or uneven shapes. Points mark the beginning and end of a line, or intersection of two lines, or the meeting of lines at the corner of a plane or volume. It can produce and create gradients, textures, patterns, and other complex shapes. It indicates position in the space. Point placed at the center of the space is static and creates symmetrical balance. Point placed away from the center are dynamic and create asymmetrical balance. Single point at the center draws attention and creates a focus. 2 points represent a direction. They make the eye to move back and forth between those 2 points. 3 points signify a shape. They make the eyes to move in a closed path. Unique arrangement of points create a directional path for the eye to move on. Random arrangement of points make the eye to jump from one path to another, and dense area can gain more attention than the rest.